How to enable or disable wireless emergency Amber Alerts on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then, on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. From here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on Notifications. After that, tap on Advanced Settings. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Wireless Emergency Alerts. In here, make sure you turn on Allow Alerts at the top. Then go down and tap on Amber Alerts toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here it says Child Abduction Emergency Bulletins. So if you turn it on, you will receive notifications for Amber Alerts. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.